Accidents are jarring, they happen unexpectedly and can turn your day upside down in an instant. Worse, they can leave you without transportation, making it difficult to get to work, run errands, or even pick up your kids from school. If your car is damaged, your insurance company will determine if it's a total loss. This is a crucial step in the claims process. This means repairing your car costs more than it's worth. Essentially, the cost to fix it is higher than the car's value. It's a tough pill to swallow. The emotional and financial impact can be overwhelming, but insurance exists for these situations. It's designed to help you navigate through these challenging times. Insurance adjusters assess the damage meticulously. They take detailed notes and photographs to document the extent of the damage. They consider the car's age, pre-accident condition, and repair costs. Every detail is important in making an accurate assessment. This is compared to the car's actual cash value, or ACV. The ACV is a critical figure in determining whether your car is a total loss. Let's say ACV is the car's worth before the accident, accounting for depreciation. It reflects the market value of your car just before the incident. If the repairs exceed the ACV, it's declared a total loss. This means the insurance company will compensate you based on the ACV rather than paying for repairs. After an accident, contact your insurance company immediately. This is crucial as it sets the entire claims process in motion and ensures that you get the assistance you need as soon as possible. This starts the claims process. The insurance company will guide you through the necessary steps and documentation required. Provide all the necessary details of the accident. This includes the time, location, and a detailed description of what happened. This includes the police report and any medical records. These documents are essential for verifying the incident and any injuries sustained. The insurance company assigns an adjuster to your case. The adjuster is responsible for evaluating the damage and determining the cost of repairs. The adjuster inspects the damage and estimates repair costs. They will take detailed notes and photographs to support their assessment. They determine if it's repairable or a total loss. This decision is based on the extent of the damage and the car's value. If it's a total loss, the insurance company will offer you a settlement. This settlement is intended to compensate you for the value of your vehicle. This is based on the car's actual cash value, ACV, minus your deductible. Understanding this process can help you navigate your claim more effectively and ensure you receive the compensation you deserve. If you have new car replacement coverage, you're in luck. This type of coverage can be a real lifesaver if your car is totaled or stolen. This means your insurer will help you buy a new car, often covering the cost difference between your old car and a brand new one. They factor in the value of your old car and the cost of a new one, ensuring you can get back on the road without a huge financial burden. However, not all policies include this benefit. It's crucial to read the fine print, check your policy, or talk to your agent to understand your coverage options. They can provide clarity and help you make informed decisions. Besides opting for a brand new car, you can also choose a replacement car. This is often a more budget-friendly option. This means finding a similar used car that matches the make, model and year of your old vehicle. Your insurance payout can help fund this purchase, making it easier to find a suitable replacement. Remember, finding the right replacement takes time and research. Don't rush the process. Take your time to compare options, read reviews, and test drive different cars to ensure you make the best choice. Section 4. Purchasing a new vehicle from research to financing. Once you have received your insurance settlement, you can start shopping for a new car. Do your research. Look at different makes and models. Compare prices and features. Think about your needs and budget. Visit dealerships and test drive cars. Get a feel for how they handle. Don't be afraid to negotiate the price. Financing is another key aspect. Shop around for the best loan rates and terms. Section 5. Overcoming challenges and moving forward. Disputes over the car's value can arise if you disagree with the insurance company's assessment. Negotiate. Provide evidence to support your claim. Gap insurance can help if your car loan is more than the car's worth. Being proactive and informed is key. Understand your policy and rights. Keep detailed records of all communication. This process can be stressful, but it's manageable. Stay positive and focus on getting back on the road.